Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a reputable VPN that offers a kill switch and fast servers in the state where DraftKings allows play. Once chosen, create and pay for the subscription, then install the app on the device you use for betting. Make sure your operating system and DraftKings app are updated. Turn off device location sharing for your browser or the app. These steps prevent immediate blocks and lay the groundwork for a stable, secure connection before you open DraftKings. Now configure the VPN. Connect to a permitted state server that's geographically near you to minimize latency. Enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your real IP never leaks if the VPN drops. If available, choose the protocol, UDP for speed or TCP for stability. Clear cookies and cache in your browser and consider split tunneling so only DraftKings traffic uses the VPN while other apps use your normal connection. These steps reduce. Finally, with the VPN active and configured, open DraftKings and confirm the site or app shows the correct permitted state before logging in. Make a small test deposit to verify payments and enable two-factor authentication for security. Monitor latency and connection stability during play. If DraftKings blocks access or flags location, switch to another nearby permitted server, reboot your device, clear location and GPS data, and restart the app. If problems persist, contact VPN support for server suggestions and DraftKings support for account questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.